Good things come to those who wait, and this duck prosciutto is no exception. In a Le Creuset mortar and pestle, add coriander, fennel seeds, and peppercorns. Crush them to release all those flavors. Then in a mixing bowl, add kosher salt, brown sugar, thyme, rosemary, and crushed spices. Mix to combine and carefully score the fat side of a duck breast in a crosshatch pattern. Line a Le Creuset au gratin dish with plastic wrap and spread half the salt mixture on it. Place the duck breast on top and cover with remaining salt. Tightly wrap them in plastic wrap and refrigerate for 24 hours, then remove the duck from the salt, getting as much off by hand and rinsing the rest off. Pat it dry and wrap it in cheesecloth and tie both ends with butcher twine. Place the breasts on a cooling rack over a sheet pan and refrigerate for 7 days, turning them once a day. When ready, unwrap the duck from the cheesecloth and slice it as thinly as possible. Serve the duck prosciutto as an appetizer along with cheese, crackers, mustard, olives, and more. Happy holidays and bon appetit!